A MiG-21 has crashed in Barmer. Both pilots are feared dead. A very unfortunate incident, and the air chief has now briefed the defense minister on the MiG crash. Srinjoy Chaudhary is joining me with more details. Yes, Srinjoy.
Yes, very unfortunate MiG-21 crash that happened in Barmer this evening. What we are hearing from the defense ministry is that the defense minister asked the Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary about the incident, and the Air Chief has briefed him about it. The crash has happened this evening in Barmer, and the Air Chief has given full the full details of the crash, the very unfortunate crash, and has briefed the Defense Minister, Mr. Rajagthan Singh, about it just now.
That Srinjoy, so these are the details that we're getting right now. The air chief has briefed the defense minister. A crash has taken place in the Bhimra village in the Barmer district. It's a MiG-21, and this plane crash has taken place in Rajasthan's Barmer. As per locals, both the pilots who were on board are believed to have lost their lives. They're feared to have lost their lives. The aircraft belong to the Indian Air Force. That is now being confirmed. All right, my colleague Bhavar is joining us now with more details. Bhavar, what can you add to the story as we're waiting for more details to come in?
देखिए, फिलहाल ये पुष्टि हो चुकी है कि दोनों पायलट की मौत हो गई है। कलेक्टर ने ये जानकारी दी है, और मैं आपको बता दूं कि जिस तरीके से ये मिग करीब 9 बजे के आसपास वह क्रैश हुआ, MiG-21 बताया जा रहा है, और क्रैश होने के बाद एक जो पायलट हैं उनकी जो बॉडी है बहुत क्षत विक्षत अवस्था में मिली है, और एक बॉडी बहुत ज्यादा बर्न हो चुकी है। स्थानीय ग्रामीणों ने इसकी सूचना प्रशासन को दी थी, और प्रशासन मौके पर पहुंचा है। अब फिलहाल कलेक्टर ने ये बात कही है कि दोनों पायलट की मौत हो गई है। मौत के क्या, वहां क्रैश होने के क्या कारण रहे, इसकी अभी जांच होना बाकी है, लेकिन एक ये दुखद घटना राजस्थान के बाड़मेर से सामने आई है।